Hello, my name is Nicole Korea, and I'm very grateful to be here today at Sakapala. Today I was teaching people how to do Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, also known as CPR, and it is a life-saving practice where it's used when somebody's heart has stopped beating, and it's very important to know because when somebody's heart stops beating, the moments after are very critical because within those upcoming minutes, CPR can save somebody's life and bring them back. I think that it's very helpful for people to come to Sakapala. It's a very good opportunity for people to come and learn many different skills other than even what I taught, such as arts and how to give themselves confidence and things like that. Sakapala is a very great place for younger children and even people of older ages.